have a passion for photography but haven't found a way to monetize it yet? Well, now you can turn your hobby into cash. Make up to $1,000 per month selling your photos. It's so easy to start selling your photos online. And the best part, you can start making money right away. Our users have reported making between $500 to $1,000 and up per month just by selling their photos online. So why wait? Turn your passion into cash today. Click the link in the description to get started.